Okay, the purpose was to measure exercise intensity. We asked the students to devise a circuit class, essentially, with different types of exercises. And what the purpose of that was, then we would analyse through the Polar Team heart rate system how intense the exercise session was.
Over here, shoulder press. Just everything nice and quick. 1, 2, 3. Just everything nice and quick. 1, 2, 3. You're going to leave it quick. And then walk back. Walk back in. Catch it. Up. Catch it.
We would then look more closely at how intense each exercise in particular was for the student doing that exercise. As well, whenever you get down nice and low and you're really nearly on the ground before you push yourself up again, it makes it much more difficult.
Good. Well done. Good. Make sure you catch it, boy. Go. Second last six. Well done.
The results will show how long the student trained for. It will show their average heart rate for the session, their maximum heart rate for the session, and then it will indicate how long they spent in each heart rate zone. So those zones being, for example, 90 to 100% of their maximum heart rate would be a very, very intense period of exercise. 80 to 89% would be like the next zone down. So the greater amount of time that they spend in those higher zones, that means the exercise has been more intense and more difficult for them. The students learn a couple of things. Firstly, setting up the circuit and thinking and planning it, the order of exercise and how long the exercise should last for. Then they also learn from doing it live here on the screen. They see the effect of each exercise whilst they're doing the exercise. And no other piece of technology does that. So they get to see immediately how exercise is affecting their heart rate by looking at the screen here. So that's the information they're getting, and it's a live feed, so they can analyse that, and then normally after we download all the data and they use that as part of their assessment to evaluate the effectiveness of the session effectively.